Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. Week 14 Formulations. Lesson 94. Today we will concentrate upon the formulation Purusharth. This formulation is in Devanagari script, and as such we have to translate it into numbers. The letters are in this sequence, and these are to be chased accordingly. The letters text, when translated into numbers, will take us to 5, 3, 3, 6, 6, 2, 5, 2, and 1. Sequential addition will give rise to 5, 8, 11, 17, 23, 25, 30, 32, and 33. It is the formulation 33 which is the cumulative effective final reach for the formulation Purusharth. This as such is the aspect 1. This is aspect 1 of the formulation, that the formulation Purusharth on its translation from letters to numbers gives rise to number value 33. Therefore, step ahead will be to reach at the Sthapatya. The Sthapatya of number value 33 takes us to the Ishan cone. This is going to be of value 33. It is Ishan cone. It is west-south, and we know that previously as first formulation Hirde Granthi, we have the Sthapatya as east, Purv, and Paschim. For the second formulation, Divya Janma, we had at north and south. Now the third formulation, Purusharth, takes us to, now this Ishan cone formulation. So first formulation was Hirde Granthi, value 21 plus 22 from Purv, east, to Paschim. This was the Sthapatya. The second formulation, Divya Janam, has taken us from Uttar to Dakshin. A third is now taking us to, it is Purusharth. This formulation takes us to the west-south direction. Value is 33. Now let us visit the manifestation format, the 8-directional format. As manifestation format within creators of space. So 21 and 22, it is the first formulation of Hriday Granthi. Then it is from north to south, 16 to 24. And now we are at the third formulation, which is here is 33. And here the again cone is 33. It is northeast. So from west south to northeast, it is a reach from value 33 to value 30. This is 3 into 11 and here is 3 into 10. So it is 11 to 10, but it is in a reverse orientation. So the Purusharth is the reach in reverse orientation against the stream. Reverse orientation, we are to swim opposite. So we are in a river and the flow is set towards this direction, then we have to swim in the opposite direction. It is this swimming exercise in opposite against the current. So we have to move against the current. It is Purusharth. Here we were at Hriday Granthi. This is the transcendental seal of the 4 space, hypercube 4 origin, transcendental origin as a transcendental seal, a Granthi. Then we were at this Granthi will on its explosion will lead us to the Divyajanam. This transcendental Granthi with its explosion, the unsealing of this seal, it will take us to a split. It is this split which will create a transcendental cavity, and within transcendental cavity there will be flow of a transcendental content, a solid order 5 space content flow is going to be here. This is going to be that the outer crust of the transcendental domain of the nog stripped off and inner body format comes into play. This Kechuli is removed, the outer screen of the serpent is out, and there is a divine birth. Now, to have a reach, then we have to have a reversal of the motion. It is this reversal of flow within a transcendental cavity. To have its reversal, means we have this 5 space with 3 spaces dimension sequentially makes a linear order. For a reversal, there is to be a shift from linear order to a order. That means 6 space as an origin of a 5 space with 4 space as its dimension and 2 space as its dimension of dimension. So Purusharth will be to reach from domain to an origin, and once there will be availability of a spatial dimensional order, then within a surface we can have a reversal of an orientation. It is this reversal of an orientation which is the central core of this formulation. It is this formulation which conveys that with the transcendental seal unmelting, this transcendental seal, when it melts, it leads to a divine birth. And this divine birth sequentially, when is a flow within a transcendental cavity, for its reversal of the flow, this reversal of the flow will take us to its origin, and the origin as a 6 space will lead to the transcendental flow is leading to 5, 3 and 1, but origin will take us to 6, 4 and 2. It is this reach at the origin which will provide a reversal of an orientation, and it is a Purusharth. So from here we reach an Agni core, then all yagyas, all karmas are to be which reverses. So from manifestation to unmanifestation, it is this feature which is the core feature of the third formulation. Let us sit comfortably. Let us visit this feature of the existence phenomenon. See, creation is within a 4 space. 4 space is having a transcendental seal. It is this transcendental seal which is to be melted. So it is the 4th chakra of human body. It is heart formate. It is, and it has a seal. It has a granthi. It is this seal, when it melts, there is a creation of a transcendental cavity. Within this cavity, within this transcendental cavity, there happens a flow of a transcendental content. This transcendental content being of a solid order and of a linear dimension of dimension. For its reversal, we have to reach at the origin. It is reach at the origin of the, it is the origin of 5 space, which is a 6 space, which parallel with 5, 3, 1 transcendental motion is 6, 4 and 2, and it is the spatial dimension of dimension order which will provide a reversal of orientation. It is this reversal of an orientation which will take us from the west-south angle to the northeast angle. It is this motion of an Ishan cone, west-south angle cone direction to the Agni cone. It is this happening, it is this feature which is the core feature of the formulation of this today's lesson. It is Purusharth. We have to update our TCV dictionary by approaching this formulation, and we have also update our Sthapatya references. The updating of both these dictionary and referencer is going to be a very intensified exercise. It is this exercise which will bring us face to face with as to how the creation of the creations of space of its eight directional format, a manifestation of eight directional format of east, west, north, south, northeast, the southwest, then it is the west north, and it is the southeast. First formulation, first direction to be followed is Hirday Granthi. The second formulation is Divyajana, and it takes us from north to south. So here the transition is to be of a reach from east to north. It is this motion. Then the third formulation is having an opposite orientation from 33 to 30. See, firstly we were from 21 to 22, one more. And second stage we were from 16 to 24. Here was a progression of 1.5 form. But here in third case, we are reaching from 3 cross 11 to 3 cross 10. It is in the opposite orientation. It is this feature which is to be capitalized. It is this feature which is to be appreciated. It is this feature which will further bring us face to face with, as that first formulation takes us to 43 as 21 plus 22, which is Brahmand, the universe. The second feature takes us to 40, which is a phase and stage of the creative boundary. So the transcendental cavity is having a creative boundary. So this universe, this divinity is to be framed, and it is a creative boundary. It is the Brahma, creator himself, meditating within cavity of his own heart upon a transcendental Lord, and as a result, there happens that Brahma multiplies as 10 Brahmas. It reaches at the transcendental domains boundary. It creates a creative boundary. So 43 to 40 makes it a 43, 42, 41, and 40. It is hypercube 42, which gives us G 42 is 85. These are unwalks. So, in the context of the 8 directional frame, this amounts to that inherently the first and second formulations together are of a format of a 42. With this value, it is a east south direction. It is Narite cone. So a reach at Narite cone is going to be a phenomenon, but for it there is to be a Purusharth. We have to move against the current. So moving against the current is the Purusharth, and it is an again cone, and it amounts to H8. So it is hypercube 8. It is going to be the Prakriti. It is going to be Yajna. It is going to be a Yajna, a formulation which is of value 13. So Yajna, then Chit, consciousness. It will take to a Prakash, the light of the sun. It will make colors. Like that, the phenomenon, the happening as Purusharth will take us to all these features. So our Sthapatya referencer shall specifically express about these formulations. It is this yojana, and then we will know how 33 and then 30. Here 13 plus 20, and here 10 plus 20. It will take us to value 10, and here will be value 30, and we will be knowing that Ganita Upsutra 1 is of 10 letters composition, and there are 13 Ganita Upsutras. These all are the aspects which deserve to be specifically mentioned. And what is to be further specifically noted is that 43 to 40. But then again we are at 33. Here the difference is 3, here difference is 7. And we know G3 is having 7 versions. Then 33 value is the value of factors of numbers 1 to 18 only. 1 to 18 leads to factors 33. It is 18 plus 15, and this is 3 into 6, and the 3 into 6 will lead us to the 3 is to 5. So 3 into 6 and 3 is to 5. It will be from 6 to 5. It is from 6 space to 5 space. It will be 6 space as origin of 5 space. These are the features. And then for it, we have to again revisit our 8 directional frame. The 8 directional frame has 21, 22, 16, 24, 33, and 30. But it is having at its center a 4 space, and its origin is a 5 space, and its origin is a 6 space.